Find a comfortable position and allow your body to settle. Close your eyes and take one slow breath. There is nothing you need to force here. Bring to mind a simple moment of your day, something ordinary. See through your own eyes. Notice how you move, how you speak, how you respond as someone who lives from your chosen belief. You are not imagining perfection. You are not rehearsing familiarity. Stay with this feeling for a few moments. Let it be calm. Let it be simple. In this practice, you are not watching yourself from outside. You are experiencing the moment as yourself through your own eyes. If at any point your mind wanders, that's normal. Just gently return to the sound of my voice. If you like to stop here, you can open your eyes and continue your day. If you like to stay, I'll now guide you through a simple visualization so you can return to daily. Begin by taking one more slow breath. Bring to mind a simple, ordinary moment from your day. Not a big achievement, not a future fantasy, just a moment that could realistically happen. See the scene through your own eyes. Notice what's in front of you. Where are you? Are you standing, sitting, or moving? Notice your posture. Notice how your body feels when you move from the belief you're practicing. Now gently bring your attention to how you are being in this moment. How do you speak, either out loud or internally? How do you respond to what's happening around you? Notice the absence of hesitation or quiet presence of confidence, calm, or certainty, whatever fits your belief. You don't need to exaggerate anything. Let the moment feel neutral, steady, and familiar. If it helps, imagine making a small decision from this identity. Responding to a message, choosing how to spend your time, or moving through a routine part of your day. Notice how this decision feels when it comes from your new belief. Stay with this sense for a few moments. Let your mind register this version of you as normal. There is nothing else you need to do. When you are ready, gently let the scene fade. Take one more breath. And when it feels right, open your eyes. You don't need to carry the image with you. Just continue your day, allowing this identity to show up naturally in small ways.